Okay, let's try this again for 5 minutes. Second part, this one, it's already done and it's for me it's normal. So this one, let's try if it hits again or what's that? See, it's sealed and it's new, uncut again. This is empty one, and this is again. Let's try again. I don't know why. Oh, why? Okay. Oh, hindi ko siya na-picturean pala. This is not buo. This is not wool. This is like this. With like this. Take a picture with. This is the second one. Okay. I'll do it again. This is the chip. Tunut. It smells spicy. Spices. Again. Try ko ulit. I'll try again. This is the second chip. Asa na yung ating timer? 5 minutes. Sarap. Try. Wala talaga. Hindi ko alam. I don't know why. It's my second chip. It's done. Are you done? No. No more. Parang nagaano yung dip ko. Pouty dip. This is my second chip. 2. Smile. My friend is here. My sister. She's watching over there. There's a cake, but tolerable for me. Hot na yung dip ko. I can feel the hot. My stomach is okay for now. 3 minutes left. I'm waiting for the cake. Oh no. It has corn, Carolina Reaper pepper, Trinidad scorpion pepper, ghost pepper, jalapeno, seasoning, edible activated charcoal, iodized salt, sunflower oil, calcium propionate, sodium propionate. And this is manufactured and marketed by Jolo Chip Private Limited sa ano to? Haryana? Saan ba to? I think it's Indonesian or Indian. Tama ba? Indonesia or India? I forgot. It just gave me a pouty lips. That's it. I don't know. I don't have fun. I don't have something here. I prefer food, but I don't think. It's from India. Country origin, India. It's from India. And this is, once again, it's more spicier than the packaging. I think 2 million Scoville, something like Carolina, yung spiciness. In the packaging, it has 1.8 million. Oh no. Why? It's done. It's done. Ay, hindi pa pala. Huh? I don't feel anything. It just gave me a pouty lips, oh. My tummy, no. I don't feel anything. That's it. 3, 2. Why? I don't know what's in my tongue and in my mouth. Good job. I don't need water. I don't need anything. I can eat. I don't know. It's good. Good try. A must try for those who want spicy. Something spicy. Extreme. Wala talaga, oh. Other finger, finger. Wala, oh. Nothing inside. That's it. Thanks for watching. I don't know. It's normal. I don't need water. You see, see. I prefer this, but no, it's normal. Oh, I have milk, cold water. This is me after a minute. Okay, thanks for watching. For me, it's normal. Nothing. I expected more, but I guess it just depends on your taste bud. And I must say, I survived 5 minutes, so total of 10 because I finished the 2 chip. See you again. Let's try another.